So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily make a voiceover inside the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So once you are inside DaVinci Resolve here, any version of Resolve 20, it has made it super simple to do voiceovers. All you gotta do is come up here to this left-hand bar on the screen and click the far right icon that looks like a microphone. So click on that, and then right here you can see we have our quick window. It gives you the options to name your file, choose your input microphone, which is whichever one you have connected to your computer, and then your record track. If you don't select a specific track, it will simply just create a new one every time you make a voiceover. So then in the top right corner, you have input monitoring, enable 3-second countdown, and mute timeline while recording. That is definitely a big one that you definitely want to do, as well as select stereo input. That way it will record as a stereo audio, but you can always change this later too. So once you are ready, go ahead and simply click the voiceover button. It'll give you a quick 3-second countdown, and then say whatever you need to make your voiceover. Once you're done, click the spacebar, and then boom, you have your simple voiceover. And then say whatever that is on your timeline and ready for you to go. So if this video is helpful, or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.